With 4K recording at 30 frames per second, up to 170-degree viewing angles, and an f2.8 Carl Zeiss lens, this action cam packs enough punch to compete with anything in its class. In the back we have a battery, micro SD card slot, micro USB for charging, and mini HDMI out. Make sure you have a fast enough SD card, otherwise you won't be able to record at 4K at the highest bitrate, which is 100 megabits. You're going to be looking around 90 megabytes per second write speeds or higher for your micro SD card. The menus on the side of the camera aren't that intuitive and are a bit of a pain to scroll between and change settings quickly. That's why I prefer to use the mobile companion app, where you can change all these settings quickly and it's all laid out right in front of you, as well as sporting a nice live preview to get the shots just right. The camera also comes with an external protective case which is waterproof up to 10 meters, and for mounts, not only does Sony produce a wide range of accessories if you're coming from a GoPro or anything else, you have a universal tripod screw on the bottom of the camera which allows you to use an adapter, and therefore any GoPro or third-party mount will fit this camera, which is just great. So now there's one thing left to do, and let's take this baby out for a test ride and get some footage. 4K Sony Action Cam's footage is very sharp and crisp and has great color reproduction. This footage is shot using the vivid color profile and it looks great. The footage is extremely comparable to that of a GoPro or any other action camera in this range. You can see here in this test where I go from the bright sunlight to the shade of the car park, the contrast auto corrects itself beautifully for the conditions and doesn't miss a beat. The 4K Sony Action Cam is a worthy contender to any other action camera in this class. Typically you can find these on special or a little bit cheaper than its competitors, and if you can do that, I wouldn't hesitate to pick one up.